Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Slack easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Type in www.slack.com in the address bar. Once the Slack homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. Now, you will see options for starting a new workspace or joining an existing one. Select Create a new workspace. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Check your email for a message from Slack. Open the email and find the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to proceed. You will be redirected back to Slack's website. Now, you need to set up your workspace name. Enter a name that reflects your team or organization. After that, click the Next button. Next, you will be asked to invite team members. You can enter their email addresses or skip this step. If you choose to invite team members, enter their addresses and click Invite. Then, set up your Slack password. Create a strong password and enter it in the field provided. Once done, click Continue. Now, Slack may ask you to customize your workspace. You can choose a few preferences or proceed with the default settings. After customizing, click Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully registered for Slack. You can now download the app or continue using it in your browser. Explore your new workspace and get familiar with the features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.